PureEdge Lighting's LED light channel family of products offers endless design opportunities for both commercial and residential spaces. This portable display box allows you to demonstrate the lighting effects of the product in your client's office. Use this tool to show the form and function of this exciting, dynamic, energy-efficient product. An ELV dimmer is also provided to help you demonstrate light channel's full capabilities. To use the box, plug in the black power wires to the labeled ports on the side of the box. Open the box and use the red ribbon to remove the protective insert. Notice examples of both distinct specification methods: DIY, do-it-yourself, and complete fixtures. Whether you want to provide total flexibility to your installer or deliver pre-assembled plug-and-play task lighting, LED light channel is the ideal solution. The DIY ordering method takes advantage of the solderless field cuttable feature of the LED soft strip. Contractors can simply cut the channel and lens, then trim the LEDs to tailor the lighting to fit each application. For DIY systems, you'll need LEDs, channel and lens, end caps sold in pairs, power connector cable, and snap light connectors. The complete fixture ordering method is ideal when exact lengths are known at the time of specification and your goal is to install as quickly as possible. The light channel display box contains PureEdge Lighting's complete light channel family of products. The 4 channel types are millwork, 2 samples included, 45-degree light channel, surface mount, micro grazer. Samples of each are contained in the box. For easy ordering, we have labeled each channel. We have also included a features and benefits card with reference table to help determine the best channel for your client. Light channels come in 9 white and single color options, including warm dim and tunable white. The channel segment allows for easy demonstration in your client's setting. Simply connect the wire whips to the dimmer box. Warm dim allows LEDs to mimic traditional light sources like incandescent at 2700K with the capability of dimming down to candlelight. You can easily compare standard 2700K to the new 2700D. Tunable white is a brilliant option too. Tunable white allows total control of color temperature while maintaining brightness. To demonstrate tunable white, use the handheld dimmer included. Please note, the handheld dimmer included is not for sale. Our light channel family is versatile and has options ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Light channel is available in lengths of your choosing. For design and layout assistance, contact us at design@pureedgelighting.com. PureEdge Lighting. Lighting personalized.